What's up, everybody? How's it doing? Thomas? What is that? You've got an icon for your name. C4 Suhail. Hi, hello, hello. RV, the future of gaming. S&box is the future of gaming. It's the mic on. Mic check, mic check. Mic is on. Whew, I'm out of breath. My bedroom is upstairs and I go up and down, up and down, up and down, and I get out of breath. Lux ZHVS is MarsRP, Dark RP, but just as bad. No, not quite. Not quite. I mean, it might have like some features that Dark RP has, but Dark RP is not an inspiration at all for MarsRP. It's going to be significantly different, trust me. Sus RP. G-Man, how's it going? How's it going? How's it going? It's going good here, G-Man. How about you? Lux ZHBS also, hello, hello, hello. G-Man, it's your birthday. Nice, man. Happy birthday. What's your, you said your age yesterday. How old are you? Lunaside Games is just Assassin. Oh, what's up? Alright, alright. On your dev account. G-Man, 14. Congratulations. Happy birthday. Mike is good. How is your chair, man? The chair is wonderful. As usual, the chair is absolutely beautiful. Let me switch over to my regular account. Lucas, buenas, ¿qué tal? Saludos desde Chile? Chicken Leg, what's the MarsRP game mode? MarsRP game mode is essentially Rust on Mars. It's a survival / roleplay game set on Mars. And I exist. So today's live stream, we're going to be working on MarsRP. And we're going to start adding, we're going to add some new features. We're going to keep it really simple at first. We're going to add some sort of life system. We're going to build out a user interface. The user interface has not been designed, so we're going to start out with just like programmer art, just some really basic user interface just to get it started. A life, metabolism system, and a currency system. We got to build the user interface for a currency system. Yes, new features, new features. Welcome everybody, welcome to the stream. Whew, I gotta catch my breath. Those stairs can be rough. It is really smoky in Montana right now, by the way. It's so smoky. I can look out my window and just like straight up see smoke. Is anybody else getting smoke from all them wildfires? Thomas, XP system. We have not really planned out an XP system or like a level / XP system. But we haven't ruled it out either. It's definitely something that we might discuss eventually. Welcome everybody, welcome to the stream. So we've got a little document here with our planned features for MarsRP. We're just gonna run through these real quick. There's a lot of features to add, a lot of work to be done yet. Bogdanov. Bogdan me off. You got access last week, got some huge maps planned. Nice, man. What kind of maps you got planned? Congratulations on getting access. It must have been through the queue, right? Thomas, I think there should be XP system to clarify the player. It's like the age, but in game. I do really like the idea of an XP system because it gives you something to always progress towards. You're always making some kind of progress. I guess it's kind of like Rust. They don't have an XP system, but they have like the blueprint system, and you're always making progress, unlocking new blueprints and whatnot. Dev preview gang, what up? Oh yeah, I gotta open up my Streamlabs dashboard. I've been thinking about getting Streamlabs Pro. I'm not sure what exactly I need it for, but they've got a lot of plugins and add-ons that we can add to the stream. Like music requests. I think that would be a really good one. Music requests. Game died, Lamau. Yes, Sandbox dies often. It's not as bad as it used to be, but it dies often. Bogdan me off. I'm thinking about some Lord of the Rings fantasy maps. Dude, that'd be so sick. That'd be so sick. The Source 2 graphics, some nice trees and fantasy landscapes and whatnot. That'd be so cool. Are we still on? No, we're good. All right, we're good. All right. We're doing some MarsRP / survival game mode development in Sandbox today. I've got it all prepped. We've got Sandbox opened up in the dev mode, Visual Studio here with our code, and we've got some stuff planned to create. Well, I had some stuff, but the document is gone. I gotta start a new document here. Oh, by the way, I played some more Sandbox last night after the stream, and I found the absolute best game mode. The #1 absolute top best game mode that exists currently. It's called Getting Home Drunk, or Walking Home Drunk, or something like that. Has anybody played that? Okay, so we've got a huge list of features here. And hardly any of this has been developed yet for the game mode. We're going to run through these features. So MarsRP, similar to the Rust Mars server. If anybody's played the Mars servers on Rust, it's similar to that. Just Assassin is so cool. It's hard. It's very hard. Dude, I actually reached the end. I got addicted to it and I actually reached the end. I think we're going to try that for a couple minutes before we get into the development. Just because it's so fun. Let's see, I missed some chat. Bogdan me off with the map restrictions being taken out. It'll be amazing to see what people make. Definitely. I'm looking forward to the procedural maps that people are going to develop. Both procedural and developed in Hammer. Buds, have they fixed the lighting and collision issues past the Hammer grid? I believe the lighting issue, I think there's still lighting issues, but I believe that the collision issues are fixed. There's still some stuff to fix for sure. Business Cat signed up for Access last week and immediately jumped to #1 in the queue. Damn, you must have a high score. You must have a lot of Gmod contributions. Just Assassin, my map has a sewer now. Fleshing it out before I do a few art passes. That's cool. Hope Sandbox is not like Roblox. Yeah, me too. I think it'll be better than Roblox. Looking at that plan, as long as money printing doesn't become a thing and mining and farming can be consistently contested so that people can't hold all the power, this should be fine. Yes, money printing, we don't plan on having some insane crap like money printing, like Dark RP, you have money printers and shit. Nothing like that. Currency and resource mats and whatnot, it's all gotta be fair game. There's not gonna be any admins with like material printing powers or any crap like that. It's gonna be fair, it's gonna be fun. Do you know if Falco's doing Dark RP and Sandbox? I'm not sure, Johnny. I am not sure. Buds, if he doesn't, 100 others probably will, definitely. Chicken Leg, game mode looks so cool. Good luck in development, man. Thank you very much. We're going to be putting a lot of work into MarsRP. I think it'll turn out really great. Golden Zero, yes. The sandbox allowed changing the in-game UI for a game mode. Yes, there is a lot more power with developing user interface than Gary's mod. And it's a much better system for UI development as well. You can create a totally custom UI. Anyone think that the rush of developers will segregate the community with different game modes that differ only slightly? Segregate the community with different game modes that differ only slightly. It might not turn out like that, because the main focus in Gary's mod were community servers, and everybody would copy paste a game mode and make some slight modifications, make it their own or whatever. The main focus isn't, I don't think it's going to be like that with Sandbox. Because here in Sandbox, it's more like, rather than browsing community servers where the top communities are always shown first, you're simply browsing all the game modes. But there still will be community servers. Thomas, does a player have oxygen tank on their back? We do plan on adding some sort of oxygen system. That's actually in the notes here. Let's see. Players can buy spacesuits, oxygen tanks, tools, vehicles, etc. Vehicles. Why do I say it like that? Vehicles. Dude, somebody in CSGO is giving me shit for saying vehicles like that one day. I was like, God damn, I gotta get rid of that accent. That North Dakota accent. Alright, MarsRP survival notes. Similar to the Rust Mars servers, if y'all have played Rust Mars server, Mars servers on Rust. Maps map, I'm not sure what it means, maps map. I'm not sure what that means. But Mars outposts, oxygen stations, so if you've got an oxygen tank, which you'll need to leave the biodome, or any safe area, you'll need a spacesuit and an oxygen tank. Players can buy spacesuits, tanks, tools, vehicles, etc. Different jobs to get money. Jobs can be like mining, bounties, farming, deliveries, trading, etc. Players can buy or farm materials to make bases. We have developed the partial base system, but we have to get the modular pieces put in, because right now the base building system is kind of like Rust, where it's like a wall, a foundation, ceiling, etc. We got to swap all that out for the space base modular pieces. Then the base is made with Crazy System, modular parts, etc. We've got green zones and red zones. Green zones, we talked a little bit about green zones and red zones. I think green zones would be safe zones, so like the biodome, the main city, that would be a green zone. Nobody can kill each other. It'd be a good place to communicate with other players, trade, talk to some NPCs, etc. And red zones, I believe red zones would be maybe hostile NPC zones. Maybe big dome cities and outposts for safe zones. We've got that kind of built already. Currency system and NPC shops. Weapons and armor for PvP. Food used for healing, so like consumables and whatnot, so you can heal. Solar panels for power. We plan on having an electricity system with interactive power cables, so when you're building your base, you gotta place the power cables, you gotta set up your electricity, make sure your base is running smooth. If you run out of power, you might die. You might just die. Reputation system, this is an idea that I really like, the reputation system. Like Star Citizen, players gain infamy after killing other players. After 3 stars, they will not be able to enter safe zones for a certain amount of time. That's the idea is not totally fleshed out, but it's just the bare bones idea. We're still working on it, still developing it. But I think a reputation system, I think that's going to be so sick. If the player's oxygen tank gets shot, will it blow up or give him some kind of acceleration and then blow up? That might be a fun idea to play with. It might be a little OP though. Maybe we can have like a damage, like a health bar on the oxygen tank. If it takes so much damage, it'll blow up. That might be something fun to play with. Make it repairable and whatnot. Will you be able to make anything like a space station or a satellite? Yes. There's gonna be a lot of modular building parts and accessories and tools and whatnot that you can place on your base, or you know, build your base and then place like a satellite. Maybe a satellite would be good for communicating with other players or something, or maybe a radio station. Who knows? Toba, greetings from France. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the stream. Bud's better than a Baltimore accent. I hope so. Johnny, I wonder if there will be some regulation of monetization. I suppose that servers can modify the game mode to remove it. How much control will a server owner have versus the game mode developer? So, what you're thinking is if a server owner takes an existing game mode and creates their own server out of it. I'm not too sure that's going to be a big problem in S&box, just because the main focus is hopping in game modes, simply create or join game rather than community servers. It could end up becoming a problem. And regulation of monetization, that's kind of a difficult one for me to make a guess on. But I do know that Facepunch wants developers to be able to monetize their work. They believe that developers should get paid for their work. And I love that. I also believe developers should get paid for their work. Steal oxygen from other players' bases. Hey, that could be a thing. When you go raid a base, you can steal their oxygen. Play Spingbab. Bruh, we played Spingbab last night. Wait, maybe I shouldn't show this on stream. Okay, there's nothing too dangerous here. No, we played Spingbab last night, or SpongeBob. You gave me a little scare. I thought I leaked my IP. Fuck Spingbab. Is there a map Pro says, is there a map size limit with Source 2? With Source 2, yes, there was a map size limit, but because Facepunch has access to the source code and they can change whatever they want, they removed the map size limit. So in Source 2, yes. The S&box version of Source 2, no. No map size limit. Where were we? We were at settlement stations. Okay, so settlement stations are basically tool cupboards. Like if you played Rust, you got to place a tool cupboard. Tool cupboard sets a radius where you can safely build. That's your area. We're going to have something like that, but it's called a settlement station. We're going to have a decay system, similar to Rust as well. So that players need to keep playing consistently or else their bases will decay away from Martian dust. So if you build a base and you're not online for another month, your base probably won't be there. It'll either get raided or just simply decay. We're going to have a clan system. Players will be able to form clans and raid each other's settlements. Random supply drops are on the map that players can fight for. These will be like events, you know, like the supply drop in Rust with the airplane and whatnot. These are just events that occur on the map. It's all, you know, something to always look forward to. Introduce a little PvP, let players get together, kill each other, and collect some awesome loot. Martian NPCs, players can kill for rewards and quests. That might be a fun one. Some of these ideas, like this isn't all set in stone. This is just a rough outline of some of the stuff that we're planning for MarsRP. Future features. Okay, this is a big feature here. Future features. This is a really big feature here. This would be like far in the future, but it's an exciting one. If we can pull it off, that'd be incredible. Future features: players can buy spaceships of the engine for sure. Spingbab _ hi from Russia. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Russia. Johnny, how much can you mod the game mode before it isn't in the same category? It's hard to say. I guess it depends on how much you mod it, really. Eventually, it's not going to be under the same category. Business Cat, do you have any idea how they are planning to combat content theft and unauthorized re-uploading in Sandbox, especially if paying creators for their work is involved? I've got no idea how they're going to handle that yet. There's going to be some... Eventually it is going to become a problem, and it's definitely something that Facepunch can handle somehow. Maybe server-sided code that doesn't get networked over to clients. And I guess that's about all you can do, is just having strictly server-side code. So if somebody wants to run a server, a community server, they've got code that sits only on the server, it does not get downloaded to the client, nobody else has access to it. That's probably about the limits of what you can do there. Would it be funny to plant a flag to mark your territory? Hey, that'd be cool. Like, you can have a clan flag. We could have that with our clan system. People can build a flag and plant it. Martian territory. Mars, yo. You need to have some kind of soft side of the game that added more, like the horses in Rust, maybe some kind of alien creature that can be tamed and ride. Yeah, some like passive stuff. That'd be kind of cool. That would definitely be kind of cool. Alright, further down our list here, we've just got some screenshots. Some of the stuff that we're looking at for inspiration. And we've got more in the Trello. Here's some more screenshots for inspiration. Imagine that. This is on the moon. That's not on Mars, but imagine seeing something like that in game. That'd be so cool. This is one of the things that I'm really looking forward to, is the red planet. And inside the biodome, you have all this flourishing nature, grass and trees, all this greenery. I think the orange and green contrast so nice, and it looks so good. Like this right here. Oh yeah, there's a link to the MarsRP Discord. Wait, is there a link? In the description. It would be in the description. It might be an invalid link by now. I hope it's still valid. Let me see here. I might have to update the description. MarsRP Discord, is that invite still valid? Wait, is that my Discord? Wait. Yo, the MarsRP invite goes to my Discord. Edit. There we go, updated MarsRP Discord invite link in the chat. _ create a custom game for Dota 2. Gavardos, how's it going? My name is Gavardos, the #2 source for Sandbox News. What's up, Gavardos? What's up? Okay, where were we? Crusades, yo, welcome. Okay, so we've got a huge list of features here, and I gotta pick out just some stuff for us to work on right now. Exposed. Okay. Players can buy space suits, oxygen tanks, tools, vehicles, etc. Can't really work on that yet because we still need to flesh out the item and equipment system, and also build some NPCs that you can actually buy stuff from. So that must come later. Different jobs to get money. This we could work on, but that's sort of a bigger system that needs a little more planning. Later, we're going to put this under the later list. Job system to earn money. This also requires the currency system to be in place. That way you complete a job, you earn some currency. Players can buy or farm materials to make bases. That's something that we can kind of work on, but that also requires the trade NPC system so you can buy. But we can kind of work on it because we can place resource nodes around the map and have a way to harvest them. But that... That's going to require some models for the resource nodes and whatnot. And a generation system to place them around the map. This is sort of a bigger system that also will require more planning. Resource nodes you can harvest. Base is made with my system, my build system. That's sort of already in. It needs to be fleshed out. We'll take a look at that later on. Green zones and red zones. I think before we can work on that, we're going to have to work on some sort of PvP and hostility system. Hostility damage and the health and metabolism system. So that will come later. Green/red zones. That also requires more work on the NPCs. Currency system and NPC shops. This is something that we can start on today. Currency and NPC shops. Weapons and armor for PvP. This is also something that we can probably start on today because that kind of ties in with... We already have an item system where you can equip items, and that sort of ties in with the health as well. We can have like a health, metabolism, and armor for defense and whatnot. That is something that we can start on soon. Weapons and armor for PvP. Food used for healing. That is something I want to work on. We need to create consumable items. Consumable items. You better not be coding in Notepad++. Bruh. I bet we can get some sick plugins for Notepad++ and turn it into a fully fledged IDE. And just totally dump on Visual Studio. You think it's possible? How can you code in Notepad++? Flat Top says, is this going to be like Rust or more like Gmod Dark RP? This is going to be more like Rust. Dark RP is not so much an inspiration here. Gavardas, code zombie mode for me. Hey, I'm down to work on zombie mode for you. We can collaborate on that if you want to collab. VR mode. I cannot work on the VR mode because I do not have any VR. I don't have a VR headset. But the zombie mode, I think that would be fun to work on. Could definitely do some coding for that. Speeds Racing. Weren't you working on making Rust and S&box with a modified Towns game mode? Yes. And what we've done is taken the systems that were built for that and we're moving them over to MarsRP. So like the build system, the inventory system, that's all going to MarsRP and they're getting modified to fit the MarsRP game mode. Lunaside, Just Assassin, hopping over here on a computer without my main account. Gavardas, I'll write all the code and you can take all the credit. 100%. Also make all the... No. I think you gotta make the assets, though. That's the least you could do is make the assets. Okay, consumable items. That's on the to-do list. Solar panels for power, that has to come later because we need the electricity slash power system. Electricity, power slash solar panels. Work on that later. Electricity system, reputation system. So I think the reputation system needs to come later because we haven't really planned out much how that's going to work. And we also have to integrate, we have to do the PvP system. That way when you're in a PvP or if you kill somebody or whatever, then it will manipulate the reputation system. So that has to come after the PvP and NPC systems, I believe. Reputation system comes later. Settlement stations, or like a tool cupboard in Rust. The settlement station. That's something we can do relatively soon, I believe. Settlement stations, we can do that pretty soon. Decay system, so your base will decay. That sort of ties in with the settlement station because you would want to put your crafting resources into the settlement station, and that's what keeps your base alive. So that sort of ties in here. We can put the decay, do the decay system with the settlement station. Players will be able to form clans and raid each other's settlements. Clan system. That's gonna come later, I think. Just because we're so early in development, I think thinking about clans right now is too soon. Random supply drops are on the map that players can fight for. This will also come later because that's gonna require maybe some more work on the NPC side. We're gonna need some loot that actually gives supply drops a purpose to exist. So supply drops will come later. Martian NPCs, that will come later as well because we have to think about what sort of NPCs are going to exist. Alright, so this is some of the stuff that we're going to work on today. Currency and NPC shops. I just got confused. Okay, currency and NPC shops, weapons and armor for PvP, consumable items, and settlement stations. Mr. Cow. Yo, Gavardos, if you want my channel, I'll give you the password. You straight up have it. You just gotta upload videos for me. Just, you know, just rename your channel. Here we go, just rename your channel to Craze2. And then, yeah, then we're good to go. We're set. No, like, seriously though, you're gonna pass me in sub count soon. Whoop SK, hi, hello, welcome, Whoop SK. Toby, hey, you just got some food, so I'm gonna be here a while, I'm assume you're doing daily streams. So, I've been doing daily streams. I get home from work, it's way too smoky outside to actually do anything, like go hike. So all these wildfires, it's really bad in Montana, the smoke. So I've kind of just been chilling inside. Might as well stream, right? Hey, Mr. Cow says, hey. Hey, Cow. Hey, Cow. Gavardos, I'll probably make zombie move video this week. Nice, man. Unless you don't. Pfft. Zombie move video? What I mean is electric system will be more like scrap mechanic or more like Rust. What you mean, Thomas? Oh, you'll probably make a zombie mode video this week. Alright. Hey, flesh it out. Add those little campaign missions you were talking about. And then do a video on it. Make a video on the TF2 thing. Maybe. I mean, it'd be a good video for sure. Mr. Cal, still waiting for that key. Hey, Cal, I'm pretty sure you left the Discord. I nominated you and you left the Discord, so if you don't have a key by now, that's totally your fault. Let me just verify that you actually left the Discord. I nominated Sam, the KSF dude Sam, and he got a key, Mr. Cal. But the nomination system is gone now, so we can't do that anymore. You did leave it, didn't you? You cheeky cunt. Whoops, SK, you can just call me Whoops. That works. Thomas, like you give the player packer up props that you can connect to electric and then it work, or you give player parts and then he have to make the electric door from scratch. Packer up props that you connect to electric. It could go either way, really, depending on whatever it is you're building. Oh, give the player packed up props that you can connect to it. Yeah, I think it could really go either way, depending on what it is. Like an electric door, we'd probably keep it simple. You just want to place a door. And then I'm not sure if we want to have require an electricity system that hooks up to the door. That might be a little too complicated because when you're building a base, you need to get secure quickly. So you just place a door, place your base, place your door, and you're safe. Having to put an electricity system on top of that might require a little too much from the players. Hi man, get a dark mode, my poor eyes at 1 AM. I really do need a dark mode. Like, no lie. Voss think they will bring back nominations or Steam keys. I don't know about nominations. That might have been like a one-off thing. Steam keys. Kind of hard to say on the Steam keys. If I had to guess, I would say no. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is hop into the UI system. And I'm trying to think how currency should work. Should currency be like a single item in the UI that renders maybe like right here? Or should it be like in Rust where you carry around a bunch of scrap? Yo, this music is intense. That's probably good. Power Squid, how functional is the game mode so far? We've got a good amount of systems built so far, mostly just the very basics. So we're not on the Mars map right now because it needs to be fleshed out a little bit and recompiled. So we're just on some random map. What map is this? It's called Highway. Somebody made it. Let's see here. Highway by Conneath Industries. That's what this map is. So the game mode is, we've got our inventory system. We've got like an equipment system, so you can equip stuff. Right now you can equip literally anything. Like you can equip this box. So I need to add some limitations there, so you can only equip like body armor and whatnot, helmets, spacesuits, etc. So I need to make some adjustments there. We've got a build system, and these building pieces are just placeholder. They do not fit. They do not fit the Mars environment just yet. Got a nice build system with a variety of pieces. Place some stairs. And let's see, what else do we have? We've got weapons, which basically just came straight from S&box. These were basically already developed for us. And a very, very simple NPC system. Here we've got Terry. You can shoot him dead. And that's basically it. And we're just adding some stuff to it still. Flat top, currency should be in inventory like rust, so carrying large amounts of currency is cumbersome and dangerous. That's a good point. I wonder if that would be better. Because I think traveling around the map is going to be dangerous either way. Because you're still going to have all your items, your valuable items, and your crafting resources. So should it be hardcore, should it be really hardcore survival like Rust, where if you die you lose absolutely everything? I think this is something I'm gonna have to discuss with Maji, because that is a pretty big design decision to make. It can change up the gameplay quite a bit. Gonna have to do some thinking and discussion on that for sure. Is the Mars map good? It's not online, so like you can't hop on and play it. But the map that Maji is working on, it looks really nice. I'll show it off later on. We gotta recompile the map and fix some missing materials and whatnot. I'll show it off later on. Alright. So, if we're going to create a currency system that fits in the inventory, then we have to adjust our item system so we can have stackable items. Let's see what that will require. We could do, let's see, we could add a simple networked variable here. Wait, there already is. I've already got something. I've got a quantity integer. We should also do something like this, public bool stackable. And I wonder if this should be, abstract. This might have to be abstract. That way you can override it. Stackable quantity. Let's create a dummy item just so we can test with items. Let's see here. Add new item. Let's call it stackable.cs. We're gonna copy. Let's just copy this here. Whoops, that's not the one I wanted to overwrite. Stackable. It's not a placeable item. Stackable, it's just a Mars item. Stackable. Stackable. Okay. Ah, shit. I added the abstract. Maybe I should be virtual just so I don't. I'll just be lazy and make this virtual. You know what? Let's not be lazy. You know what? Let's be lazy. It can be virtual. That's fine. Why is... Oh, yeah, okay. Public override stackable. Stackable. It's true. Okay. Stackable item. Okay. Now let's just give stackable item a default quantity and let's 2 is equal to 100. Okay, let's go to Mars player and give him backpack.add create stackable item. You know what? Let's do it like this, actually. Let's not do this. Stackable item. Create stackable item dot quantity is equal to 100. Backpack.add stackable item. Get rid of that. G-Man, how do I change the hold animations on a weapon? I have a bat and it looks like I'm shooting it, lol. There's an animation parameter for that. We'll see if I can find it real quick. It's called hold type or something of that nature. Okay, so I've got an override for the hold type in my Mars item, but if you want to change the animation for when the player is holding the item, you just have to change the hold type, and that will be under the animation entity or the wherever you change the animation params. You set hold type to, it's probably like 0 to 5. So like 1, for instance, might be a melee item. 2 might be a two-handed weapon. It's probably not right, but just an example. So ignore that code there. Player, I actually have to fix this. Player model.set anim int. It would be set anim int, and then like set it to 1 or whatever. But in our case, we want to use whatever is set in the Mars item. So we do it like this. Gavardos, do you have 2 separate inventories for the hands and the backpack? Yes. So the way I've set it up is inventories are basically their own entity, and then there's another inventory class that entity sort of works with. So for every inventory, it's its own entity, basically. So we've got an inventory for the backpack, got one for the body, got one for the hands. And I can add as many as I like. That's the convenient thing about having it set up like this. I can add as many as I like. And it also makes it easy to do, like if I want to place a container, or like a loot box, if somebody dies, they drop a backpack. I just haven't, this container entity has its own inventory entity, like a child entity, and it's over here on the side. So these are all separate entities, basically. Okay, let's see here. So, let's see. Where's my stackable item? Backpack.add stackable item. Wait, shouldn't that have added? Is this hot loading? Compile failed. What you mean compile failed? What you mean compile? Oh shit. Okay. Okay, so virtual. Wait. Virtual. Okay, virtual cannot be. It cannot be a net property. Can abstract be a net property? Wait, we don't need that to be a net property. What am I thinking? The net property only needs to be in quantity, because this is hard coded. Okay. Now we have our stackable item, which is using the box icon. We can change that, whatever. Okay, and it should have a quantity. So here's what we're gonna do. Inventory tooltip. Label.text. Okay. item.name, we're gonna do this real simple, like item.quantity. So now when I hover over the stackable item, we should see quantity. Okay, we've got 100 here in the stackable item. This is gonna get slightly complicated relatively quick because we need a way to split the stack. And when we split the stack, we need to create a separate entity for the other stack. Man, this coding breaks my brain. It's so fast. Bro, I code way too fast sometimes. I'm pretty sure I have ADHD. So my brain could be like all over the place and it just makes no sense. But it makes total sense to me. It can honestly be, there's pros and cons. So I'm trying to think what to do next with our stackable item here. Let's code, yippee! Dude, I fucking love coding. What would be the next step? Do we want to make it so we can split the stack right now, or can we save that for later? I wish I had more coffee. Coding is the easiest thing in the world. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I think coding has to be one of the hardest things in the world. Unless it's HTML. That's the easiest thing in the world. Do we want to make it so we can split the stack right now? There is currently nothing in place to make it so we can split stacks. So this is going to take some work. It takes some work from the client because the client initiates the stack splitting input, sends it to the server, then the server splits the item and networks it back to the client. So that's going to take a bit of work to be able to split stacks. Just pay Layla to do it. Exact. Just pay Layla to do it. Taken care of. Done. You need to put the focus on making something cool rather than the focus of beyond learning. I think I totally agree with that. Because once you hop into something, you start creating something and you're having fun with it, you're going to start learning. But if you're just trying to learn, study, research, and learn, you might get burnt out quick. So as long as you're having fun with it, you're going to learn. And you're going to have fun as well. King Cobra is... I heard there were people working on Star Wars RP for S&box. Have you seen anything about it? Yes, we actually checked that out in a recent stream. There is somebody working on a Star Wars S-box.facepunch. No, forum.facepunch.com. We're just going to look at this real quick. There is a Star Wars thing in development here. Let's see if I can find it. Yep, Star Wars roleplay in S&box. It's very early in development. I don't think they've really done much with it yet, apart from a bunch of planning. But yeah, if you want to check it out, go to forum.facepunch.com. It is under the general forum, Star Wars roleplay in S&box. Okay, what were we making stackable items to be? Why are we doing stackable items to begin with? I totally lost my train of thought here. Let's look at our notes. Oh, for the currency, of course, for the currency. Okay. So for currency, we're definitely gonna want to be able to split the stack. That way, if you want to like drop currency for a friend or something. Okay, let's figure out how to make this. Let's figure out how to split this stack. I might do it real simple like at first, just get the back end developed and just totally skip the UI for now. So we're gonna do it real simple I think at first. If we right click it, it'll split the stack in half. and then give you a new item to work with, or some shit like that. Okay. So if we right click it, it will initiate the stack split. Okay. Inventory item. Wait. Okay, what is my inventory class? Inventory. Inventory. Where's my inventory? Inventory cell. It could be in here. Inventory grid. Inventory grid. Inventory grid. In here should be the, no, actually, okay, handle click, on click, handle click. And in here, okay, so it raises an event. So how does it know? It doesn't even, yeah, it doesn't even check if it's left or right clicking right now. Handle click. On click, handle click. So in here, we have to determine which button is being clicked, left or right. King Cobra JS fan, thank you, no problem, man. Gonna head out, see you later. Hey, thanks for stopping by, man. Gavardo's heading out as well, bye, bye-bye. Enjoy your meal. What you mean meal, bruh? I'll see you later, Gavardo's. Thank you for stopping by. Vod Mesa, I don't want to dev in this cesspool of code errors, just focus on school, but I was just popping in. What's up, Vod Mesa? Welcome, welcome. Always good to see you. Will there be any egg or bread in Sandbox? Yeah, I'm sure there will be egg and bread in Sandbox. Probably a guaranteed thing. Nude K, what about any kind of HL2RP in Sandbox? Any news on that? Nothing that I've heard of. HL2RP, that would require, I guess that would require them to load assets from Half-Life, which might cause some problems because, you know, not everybody's gonna own Half-Life. So that would probably be a difficult project to work on. Flat top PvE combat against NPCs. Yes, that is planned. We want to have some NPCs that roam the map, or maybe there can be some hostile NPC outposts that you can raid, collect some loot, kill some shit. Definitely going to be some stuff like that. Okay, so we need to figure out, we need to differentiate, or we need to determine whether or not they're doing a left click or a right click, or some other click when they click. Because right now it's just simply on click. And I think we can do this pretty easily. I'm just trying to decide if I want to pass it through the event or... Let's not pass it through the event. Let's determine this. Wait, what are the... Okay, that would be... Okay. On cell clicked. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, on drag begin. Okay, so we don't want to drag with the right mouse button, only the left mouse button. So... if input dot down dot mouse. Okay. What is, how do we check for the mouse button? If input dot left? No, okay, that's something else. Input dot down, input button dot. Yo, are you still in chat, Layla? Is there an easy way to determine if they're... So I'm hooking into the UI event on click. And what I'm thinking here is if I'd be able to check input button dot like mouse 0 or mouse 1 or whatever. Is there something in the input API where I can check if it's mouse, if it's left or right mouse, or left or right mouse? If you would like testers, I'm here for you. All right, cool, yeah. So I think eventually we're gonna get this uploaded. Attack 1 might actually work, yeah. Eventually we're gonna get MarsRP uploaded to be an actual game mode that you can download and play in Sandbox when it's a little more polished. And then we'll definitely be needing some testing for sure. Attack 1 might do it. Log, attack, yeah, okay. Log.info, attack 1. Oops, what did I press? No, I do not want that. Well, here actually we can do .tag2 and just return. Just test this way. Alright, so if I right click, if I drag with the right mouse button, it still works. Let me try something here. Okay, so that should have disabled it. If input.down, button is pressed .down, attack 2, it should return. Nope, that did not work. How do we determine if it's left or right mouse button? Panel has on button event. Okay, let's see. I might have to change up how we are hooked in here. So idx on button event. Oh, okay, okay, that'll work. That'll be better than this. On button event. Oh wait. That's an override, isn't it? Inventory cell. Override on button event. Okay. Okay, eat up button is equal to mouse left. Okay, so I gotta change up how I'm doing this a little bit. Public event action on button. We'll just do it like this. And button. It's okay, it's been a long time since I've coded, so I might be writing some dirty shit here. Okay, how do I do the inline function again? The inventory grid on button. And then we actually want to pass the cell to it as well. Cell. Okay. Cell and then E. What is this? Oh, that would be a vector 2. Okay. Handle click. And then I can just take this, put that there. Let me just rename this handle click. Okay, so now we have the button event. And then we can actually on a cell button event, on cell button event. This is getting kind of sloppy, but that's okay. I don't give a fuck. We just want it to work. Button event, button event, button event. And then we can pass E like that. Figure out where we hooked into this. On cell clicked. Go button event E. Okay. On cell click. Okay. I gotta add that to, I gotta do that for the drag as well. Kyber96, hello, welcome to the stream. We are currently balls deep in some Gamemode development. Straight up balls deep. On cell click, so I have to actually... I need to do this for the drag as well, but I can actually just put that off until later, because right now we only care about right-clicking. If e.button is equal to, what was it, mouse left, we can return. We only care about the right mouse button. Is not equal to mouse right. Log.info, right-click a cell. Let's give that a shot. Right click the cell. That's calling twice. Why is that calling twice? Oh, it must be for mouse up. Okay, mouse up, mouse down. Okay, mouse up, mouse down. Or e.pressed return. There we go. Okay. So now we detect a right click on a cell. So now basically we just want to add a very, or probably not very simple, we just want to add a way for it to, I think when we right click it starts the stack split. So we want to create a new item, reduce the quantity of the clicked item, and put the new item on the player's cursor so they can do something with it. There's vodka in their flask. Straight fucking vodka. Straight vodka. The Big Sky, Montana. Okay. So, from here we need to split the stack. If I need to actually grab the item. Okay, item can be null or item null. Or item null, or item.quantity is less than 2. Or actually, or item quantity is less than 2, or item.stackable. Let's do it like this. Flat top, definitely keeping hydrated. Whoops, you don't need to restart game after you change code? Nope, not at all. It's hot loading. So you change the code, you change UI, you change anything, it just magically changes in game. I says make a UI so they can manually split. That is definitely on the to-do list. What we're doing right now, since none of the UI is really planned yet, I'm mostly focused on the back-end system that allows you to split stacks. And then we'll integrate the UI with the split stack system later on. Right now we just want to be able to split. Sharp Mars, what is your top 3 programming languages? HTML and CSS doesn't count. Well, I mean, those wouldn't be in the top 3 anyways. Top 3 programming languages. Well, number 1 would be C#, of course. Number 2, what would be number 2? Honestly, probably it's not. Probably C++. Because that's basically like what everything's developed in. Well, not everything, but you know. C#, C++. Third, the third would probably be more of a scripting language. C#, C++, and JavaScript? TypeScript, maybe? I think I'll roll with that. C#, C++, JavaScript. Or if you want to go the Gmod route, it can be Lua. Lua is number 1. Lua is number 2. And Lua is number 3. If you're a Gmod developer. Oof, I missed blueprints. Okay. Blueprints number 1. Yeah, the Unreal Engine blueprints, not the Unity blueprints. Then Lua number 2, but I don't know how to program Lua, so that would be... No, I'm just kidding. I can program Lua. Blueprints 1, Lua 2, and AutoIt 3. AutoIt is the shit. Oh, where were we? Okay, we gotta figure out how to split these stacks. Okay, so from here, we need to send a message to the server that says we're trying to split the stack. And we need to tell it which item we're trying to split. And then the server responds somehow. Okay, so we have some similar functions for dragging items, and we'll just do something similar like I did before. Server command public static split stack and item entity. Do I need to pass the inventory? I don't think so. Split stack, and then we'll just wait. What is this all for? Okay, just some checks, I guess. I don't know what that's for. But here we should be on the server. Log.info game.host global.host. Global.is server. Where is... What's the path to check if we're on the server? I totally forgot. Base. No, we don't have an object here. Game.current.client? Is client. There we go. Is client. And this should say false. Stacking on server. True. Or splitting, whatever. Okay. Compile failed. Oh. Item entity. Whoops. Get rid of that. Wait. Oh, we actually do need to pass the inventory. Inventory entity. And we actually have to call to this as well. Slot, how do we get the inventory entity? Item.network identity. Inventory entity. Okay. Stacking on server. So now if I right click, it should say stacking on server true, but it does not. Nothing show. Oh wait. Mars player.split stack. Log.info splitting. If we're the client, is this necessary? I'm not sure if that's necessary on a server command. Console system.caller.pawn is not Mars player player. Where are we getting our player reference? Oh, okay, we're just checking if it's a player. So that should be good. Entity find by index item entity. Wait a minute. I fucked that up. Okay. Okay. Stacking on server, true. So we're executing some code that we can work with now. Okay. Okay, so now we want to take the item, split the stack, reduce the quantity of the original item, and spawn a new item with the other portion of the stack that's been split. Flat Top, is this game inspired by the Mars custom server in Rust? Yes, it is. We are taking some inspiration from the Mars servers in Rust. Okay. So what we want to do now is take item.quant. Okay, we can run some checks here, I guess. Or item.stackable. Item is not stackable. Or item.quantity is less than 2. Do some server-side checks, I guess. This is kind of sloppy here. This is all kind of sloppy. But it's fine. Trap beats. No, no trap. I'm not feeling the trap. Pop Hot 100. Lunaside Games, just assassin. Alright, I'll be going. Can't wait to try this out when you get it to a solid state. Sounds good, man. Thanks for stopping by. See you later. Sharp Mars 3 AM for me, and I think I'll be going as well. If you could please make some streams earlier if you can. I don't know what is your time now, but I would be thankful. So I do plan on having some earlier streams, mostly on my weekends. Right now it is 7:22, and I usually get off work around 3-4 o'clock. And stream a couple hours after that. That's on the weekdays. But on weekends, I will be having some earlier streams, and my weekends are Sunday and Monday here in America. And those streams will probably be around noon. So like 7 hours earlier than right now, roughly. Okay, so I'm just trying to decide now if we want to handle the splitting right here, or if we should do it somewhere else. I might just put it right here just for simplicity, because I don't know where else it would go right now. But I feel like I could do something like item.split. And then it's just taken care of. Or then I can get rid of some of this shit too. But the problem is we have to create a new entity, and I'm not sure if that would be good to handle that inside the item. Okay, we'll subtract 1 from quantity. I need a way to duplicate the item, so we have to determine what type of item it is. Oh god. Oh god. Could create it by the name. Pass a string name, but where does it find the name from? If we did it like that, we'd probably have to add another override somewhere. Stackable item. Forgot name, but this is our own name. It's not in the system, or it's not in the S&box API. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out later. Create new stackable item, or new item is equal to create stackable item. New item.quantity is equal to 1. And then we will do env.add new item. I'm gonna have to figure out how to duplicate the item later. We'll just do something very simple right now. Okay. So we add the new item to the inventory when we split it. And it should go on the cursor so they can place the item as soon as they split it. It's called the refresh inventory. Refresh inventory. How do we... Okay, just do it like this. Okay. Okay, so we've got a very basic splitting system. It definitely needs more work. The next thing, I think we should make it so we can stack them now. Let's see, how do we do this? Okay. Set item slot. We should be able to do it right here, actually. Set item slot. Okay, this gets called on this server. We should be able to do it in here. If we don't have an item in the slot, then we just simply set the cell. Else, if item.stackable, find item, has item in slot, get slot, wait, get slot, item is equal to get slot, slot to cell. Slot to cell, cell to slot. Desired cell. Alright, item is going to get item. Get slot. Wait a minute. Oh wait. Get slot, desired cell. Oh, I had an override. Okay. If get slot desired cell is item, I mean it should be an item from Mars. Item. If Mars item stackable. Wait. And item.stackable. Right. Item.name, if the names match, item.name that equals item.name. Then we can do item.delete. We will delete our item that we are trying to stack and go item.quantity. Item.quantity plus equal to item.quantity, and then delete the item we're moving. Let's see if this works. File failed. System.data. Okay. So now if I drag this to another stackable item, wait, where'd it go? The item broke. Oh wait, we might have to refresh the inventory as well. Let's see here. Oh god, this is getting really sloppy. Let's see. So we move it, okay, so we do refresh the inventory. But I think we have another timing issue here. .3:28 a.m. in Norway. Damn, what time do you normally go to bed? That's late AF. 4:30. 4:30 a.m.? Holy shit. I'm usually in bed by like 11 p.m. latest. Gotta get that sleep. So we've got another timing issue because the packets aren't always going to go in the order that we want them to go. And the way we fixed this earlier, the way we fixed the timing issue the other day was really not ideal. And I don't know if I really don't know if I want to do it again. What I really need is an event that listens for changes in the inventory and then refreshes automatically. I gotta think about this for a minute. We can just confirm that it's a timing issue here. Maybe. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, confirmed. Wait, what happened there? Okay. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh. Okay, so what it was doing, it was basically doubling its stack size rather than adding the stack size of the item you're trying to add to it. Minor bug. So if we add this here, that should jump up to 299. 299, and this item needs to basically just go away. But we do call refresh inventory. The problem is, wait a minute, maybe there's a different problem that I'm totally missing out on here. It very well could be a different problem. Refresh the inventory. What would cause the tooltip to not show up on these ghost items? I feel like if it's client side, it should always just simply just show up. So there might be a different problem here. Inventory, Mars inventory, tooltip. Show tooltip. If item is null, wait, that's not going to work very well. So the item is null on the client, but the icon is still there. Game development is so challenging sometimes, especially when you're dealing with networking and maybe some discrete bug that you're just totally missing out on somewhere. And you think it's a networking problem, but it's probably just some stupid bug. Mr. Cal, hey, you ready? I'm ready, bruh. Are you ready? That's the real question is, are you ready? I'm fucking ready. I'm always ready, dog. What you mean I'm not ready? I'm ready. What you mean, dog? Okay, so the item is null, but the icon is still there. We refresh the inventory. If the item is null, okay. The item's getting deleted. Okay, so it is a network timing issue. I think that's pretty much confirmed. You're not ready? You're not ready? PUBG ready? Bro, Kyle, do you want to play some PUBG? I'm totally down for some PUBG. It's been a long ass time. Control A, delete. Bruh, I don't know if that's gonna fix my issue. If item null. So the inventory is getting refreshed. Okay, so I think the problem is entities, and this wasn't a problem before, so they must have changed something in the back end where entity deletion gets deferred a little bit. This was not a problem before, but that was like months ago. Entity deletion gets deferred. So I wonder if the packets arrive in order. Let's see here. Refresh. I wonder if the packets are arriving in order, and maybe there's something that I can check for. Build player inventories, set inventory. Let's see. Refresh items. If inventory null. Okay, so we create the item icon. If item is equal to null, we will return our item dot valid. I wonder if this will fix our problems. If the item is not valid, let's try this. No, did not fix our problems. Or item dot. Delete the entity in seconds. We don't want that. Item. I don't think there's anything in here that's gonna help me. I feel like the entities just get deleted after probably like the next tick or something. So whenever I refresh the inventory, when it changes, I have to wait. You know what I could do? Okay, we added this little hack to the other method, which I gotta find task.delay. We added it, let's see. We added it right here to try to fix another problem the other day. Void. But what if we just put it right here? And then it should take care of all of these problems, theoretically. I feel like I had some other shit code that I should get rid of. Did I? Alright, let's just give this a shot. Okay, well that doesn't work. Wait a minute, where's my items? How can you tell if inventory refresh is doing what you think it's doing? I'm pretty sure it's working properly just because it renders all the items, but the problem we're having is when an entity, like say this box gets deleted. Okay, that shit that I just added needs to go actually. But say this chair in the inventory gets deleted on the server. Yeah, everything's so slow now. I gotta remove whatever I just added. But say this chair gets deleted on the server. The server will tell the client to refresh his inventory, re-render all the icons. But the problem is when an entity gets deleted, that actually occurs after the server tells the client to refresh the inventory. So the client's refreshing the inventory, then the item gets fully deleted, and the client thinks that the item is still in the inventory. And this is a networking problem it's, I mean, it's timing issues like this can be a common thing when you're dealing with gameplay networking, and it can get sloppy real quick. They're kind of difficult to solve sometimes. So the shit that I just added, this here needs to go. We don't want that. And then I want to go back to inventory grid. Wait a sec. Okay, inventory. Where was my previous? Okay, it was right here. Async void await. Wait, task.delay. 500. You know what, we could do something really dirty. And it's guaranteed consistency, but it's really dirty. Okay. But it guarantees consistency. And it's only a very minor impact to performance. The reason I don't want to add it is because it's extra code that could cause confusion. It's just hiding it's hiding the real problem. But at the same time, I kind of just want to fix it and get it over with. Event dot tick public Mars inventory menu. Well, hold on a sec. Inventory grid. Do we have a list of items? Mars inventory menu. Do we have a list of cells and items? Inventory grid. Okay. Okay, this might actually be... Okay, this is definitely some shit code. And there's a root problem that definitely needs to be solved. But I'll probably have to do some deep thinking and refactor a little bit. Public void tick. Public override tick. Let me just leave myself a note. Fix the root issue with inventory refresh network packet order. Yes. Leave myself a big to-do note. Okay, so basically we're gonna iterate through all the cells. For each bar cell in cells, cell dot value dot. Do we have an item ID? Yeah, okay. Okay. If cell dot value dot item not equal to null and cell dot value dot item dot is valid. I feel like the entity is going to be null regardless, so this might not work. fake item in inventory. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh, it does work. Look at that. Okay. So now we actually detect when one of these fake items is in the inventory, and we're just basically going to say, you got to refresh the inventory. This is on the client. So Mars inventory.mars inventory. Where is the refresh? Inventory changed. Let's just do it like this. Magic. Problem solved. Problem solved. I'm sure it'll be... I'm sure I'll run into this problem later on, but right now I don't have to worry about it. Temporarily solved. Okay, so that should go to 89, 90... Yeah, it's so scuffed. Yeah, it's definitely scuffed. I hate doing shit like that, but at the same time, I love seeing a problem get solved. And I'm gonna leave that warning log in there, just so it's just gonna be like a reminder, hey, this shit needs to get fixed. Okay. So we can split a stack. We need to add the UI so you can choose exactly how much you want to split. We'll add that later on. Right now we're not working with UI. Split the stack, and you can stack shit on top of each other as well. And I have to fix item swapping positions. I don't know if I ever actually even coded that. I can't remember if I ever coded that or if it's just broken right now. But that's something that we can also worry about later. Okay. So we've got our stackable item, and this was for currency. I suppose we can add an actual currency item. Let's just call this Dogecoin. Doge. Okay. And we need a Dogecoin. We need the Dogecoin icon. I mean, what other currency would be on Mars? Just Doge, right? I might have to resize this icon. We'll see. I think it'll work. Icon doge.png. Where's my dojis? Did my game just crash? Okay. Dogecoin is on the moon, not Mars. Yes, but it's Elon Musk going to Mars, right? And Elon Musk loves Doge. Okay, so our icon does not work. Did I get the path wrong? Doge.png. Textures, items, Doge.png. What am I missing? I thought it was that simple. It should be that simple. Here, let me just resize this actually. Image, resize, we'll go to like 128. Okay. Oh shit, I lost my transparency. It's all good. Why? Oh, I gotta restart the game to load the textures? Okay. RIP transparency. Okay, let's fix the transparency first. I gotta download this again. Why did it get rid of the transparency? Oh wait, it's because when I saved it. Save. Wait. Save transparent color. Wait. Take 3. Okay. Doge.png. Bruh, why is transparency so difficult? Why is this so difficult? What am I doing wrong? Okay, Dogecoin. You know what? Fuck it. Yo, I don't know what's from view. It's saving the PNG, but it's like changing the transparency. I don't know. Something up with that. I don't know enough about PNGs. Okay, create game. Let's go to flat grass. Huh. Why is this not working? Oops. There might be something up with the PNG. Let's try a new image. Or here, let's just we'll sacrifice the transparency for now. There we go. Okay, we've got our Doge. We gotta fix the icon. I'll fix that later. Okay. We also have to add a Dogecoin model. So when we drop it, that's actually something else that I have to add as well, is when you drop an item, it needs to spawn on the ground, and then you can pick it up. Alright. That's weird. You're rich. Yo, we've got so many Doges. Yeah, making progress nonetheless, for sure. Making progress. We've got this new weird bug. If I try to drop it in certain slots, it does not work. It does not work. Gonna have to debug that later. Right, yo, what's up? Skills Fury. Yo, what up? What up, right? Skills Fury. How you been? It's been a long ass time. I see you found my YouTube stream. Yes, sir. Doing well. How are you? I'm doing good as well. Looked my last stream. Nice. I'm glad you decided to chat. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I switched my platform to YouTube, just because this is where you know, this is where I published all my videos for all these years. Where my audience is, I figured it was a better platform for my audience. Might try Twitch later, but I'm enjoying YouTube. I like YouTube. Trying to think now. Weapons and armor for PvP. That's going to require the health and defense system. Consumable items. We could do consumable items, but that also requires the health, defense, metabolism, etc. So like a healing consumable. Eat something, regenerate health. Currency, NPC shops, that's going to take some more work. NPC shops, for sure. That's going to require a custom UI, a custom NPC, and of course, items that NPCs can actually sell. Settlement stations. Currency is basically done. Settlement stations. I think that would be a good thing to work on next. Is S&box compatible with the Atom IDE? I don't see why not. All you need is something that can work with C#. I mean, you can program it in Notepad++ if you wanted. Alright. I think we're going to take a break from the programming. That was a bit of a brain fuck. If anybody who has S&box access has played Getting Home Drunk, this is currently my favorite game mode. It's kind of addicting. It's so simple, but it's so addicting. So you've got these props, they fall from the top. Oh, somebody joined. What up? You've got these props, they fall from the top. Yeah, if anybody wants to join, feel free. Okay, so you got these props, they fall from the top. And you have to run past it. You have to run all the way up without getting hit by a prop. Yes, a lot of brain cells certainly died in the process. And I figured out a strategy, actually, for this game mode. Is you have to stay near the steps, and you can kind of crouch and dodge most of them. So you have to be patient, very patient. But sometimes you still get hit. And sometimes you just have to you just gotta go for it. See, like that, you can still get hit. Shit. Okay. Okay, we gotta beat this guy. Fuck. Oh no. I swear these props have a mind of their own sometimes. They just bounce right at you. Here we go. Here's some opportunity. Seems hard, man. Too much props with high speed. Dude, it's so hard. It's so hard, but it's addicting at the same time. Sometimes you gotta cross the street. You gotta be really ballsy sometimes. Shit. First place. First place. That was close. Yo, I ducked. I swear I ducked in time. Yo, what is this? We're good. Yo, these props. The hit edge is a bit off. I feel like, yeah, I think so as well. Sometimes it seems like the props don't even hit you. Okay. We gotta wait for the perfect moment. We have to wait for one of the sidewalks to clear up, and then just go for it. I think that's... Oh, shit. I kind of missed the window of opportunity there. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Nope. Nope. Play it safe. Play it safe. These props. That was sketchy. Oh shit, I didn't duck quick enough. He's in definite need of a good gaming chair. That is straight facts. If I had a gaming chair, shit, we would have beat this. We would have beat this immediately. Here we go. This could be good. This could be good. Okay, here we go. This could be good. Oh, okay. I got it that quicker. Layla had donated $10. $10 more towards the gaming chair fund. Thank you very much, Layla. We're at $67.11. Yo, we're gonna get a gaming chair soon. I think what S&box needs is more game modes like this. This shit's so addicting. Maybe something like Jump Kings. Okay, this could be good. Yo, he took first place. Okay. Okay. Yo, those dumpsters. It's mostly those dumpsters that keep getting you behind the stairs. Okay, we're gonna go up the center, see how that works. "2D Donkey Kong, hell yeah. Hell yes. S&box needs party games and mini games. Yes. Party games and mini games. Yo, did anybody play Warcraft 3? The Warcraft 3 custom games? I'm just thinking, I'm thinking Uther's Party. Has anybody played Uther's Party? Or Life of a Peasant? That shit was so fun. Ooh, okay, we might... that dumpster. Puzzles the most underrated Gmod game mode? I'm not familiar with puzzles. What's puzzles like? These props. It's literally puzzles. Must be some damn good puzzles. A bunch of rooms with physics puzzles and mazes or whatever, literally anything. Bro, if they can nail the puzzles, that sounds like a lot of fun. That reminds me, I'm thinking of that one movie. What's that movie called where these people are stuck in like a really big contraption? And it's just a bunch of cube rooms. And they have to defeat, there's like a puzzle in each of these cubed rooms, and they have to try to survive. If they mess up, they're straight up dead. They just straight up die. Yo, get off my head, bruh. Get off my head, bruh. It could be just cute. It could be. Let's look it up. Cube movie. Cube. Yeah, that's it, isn't it? That might be a fun game mode in Sandbox. Tristan, what is this game mode? This game mode is called Getting Back Home Drunk. It is the absolute best game mode in Sandbox currently. Totally unbiased take. Here we go. This could be good. This could be good. Oh, I should have jumped sooner. Okay, here's a... I feel like a game mode like this is gonna get a shit ton of playtime. Oh fuck, he got close. He got really close. There's always, as soon as you get really far, there's always that one dumpster that comes flying across, straight at you. G-Man, I'm gonna head out. It was fun, but I gotta get some rest. Night, man. Get some good sleep. Until next time. See you later. Get some good-ass sleep. Sleep is always wonderful. Did you guys know that if you don't sleep, you could die? That's how good sleep is. Okay. If we can get past this. If we can get past this, we might be good here. That one prop. Those dumpsters. Or those trash cans. That was close. That was way too close. Yo, I think we got this. I think we got this one. If I could have just survived that, I think we had that one. I think we had that one. That happens when you give a prop the power of physics. It goes crazy. The props have power. They have too much power. Yo, is he cheating it? Hold on a sec. Does that actually work? I feel like that'd be way too hard. shit. Okay. Okay. Personal record. Oh, okay. Dude, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Neox, hey, what up, man? Always the dumpsters. The dumpsters are difficult. But the trash cans are the ones that get you when you're chilling behind steps like that. The trash cans, those are the real killers. But the dumpsters are definitely hard to dodge. No. This feels very stressful. It can be. It's both addicting and stressful. Is this it? Is this it? Okay, we gotta jump this dumpster. Is this it? Is this it? That was close. That was too close. Fall Guys mode in sandbox when that was so close. Bruh. Fall Guys would be good. But what we need is Tub. Tub was like, are you familiar with Tub? Just be patient. Okay. Just requires a little patience. Okay, let's try this side. Tub greater than sandbox? Yes, tub greater than sandbox. Layla says, I want to do tub, but I do know if Gary planned to do it. Y'all should get on that. I feel like that shit would be hot. Damn. FPS gang, right? What you mean, tub, Thomas? Tub was like it was like Face Punch's version of Fall Guys, which was actually being developed before Fall Guys, I believe. But it got canceled, of course. Yo, we got a third player. I gotta accept a friend request here as well. What up? Accepted. Pretty sure Tub is dead. Yeah, Tub's 100% like 1,000,000% dead. No dispute. That's totally undisputed. Sandbox is basically Tub plus, yeah. What up, Layla? Layla joined. Make Tub inside Sandbox as an official mode. Making it in Unity now would be kind of wasted. Yeah, that's what I mean. I feel like somebody needs to make Tub inside Sandbox. I think that shit would be good. But at this point, since the Fall Guys hype kind of lived and died, Tub as a standalone game might not do too well anymore. Just because of the whole Fall Guys thing. Fall Guys is basically dead now, isn't it? It probably still has a player base, but it's basically dead, isn't it? And I think a huge part of Fall Guys' success was the streamers, the streamer hype, and everybody jumped on it. It might be difficult getting the streamers to get hyped up about another Fall Guys-like game. That would be my concern anyways. But regardless of player count or how much hype it gets, I still think it would be a really good game. Yo, do they spawn more props when there's more players? I swear there's more props now. Maybe not. Okay, that's enough of that. Yo, who's gonna get the dub? Somebody's gotta win this soon. Wait, yo, did somebody win? Somebody won. I think a Mario Party infrastructure in Sandbox would be great. A board game mode and then separate modes are the mini games. Yeah, that could be really cool. Okay. Ooh, this could be good. This could be good. This could be good. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh. I strafed into the dumpster. That totally could have been avoided. Yo, my shift key is like not working. It's like sticking. Here we go. Here's something. Playlist says I really need to add in a backdoor so I can cheat game modes. Yo, that's cheating, bruh. You might get canceled for that. No. Yo, get out of here, Green. Garbage cans? Garbage cans? Okay. Okay. Not this. Okay. Rip. Outside of cosmetic microtransactions, are there any actual account progression / inventory planned? I have not heard anything like that. The only thing I've heard of is really just dressing up your Terry. Yeah, can we get some better music? You know what I'm curious? What is behind us? Oh, just a wall. I've never looked back here. I've spent hours on this game and never looked back here. Interesting. Yo, I think this game definitely needs the 8-bit soundtrack. Jeremy Steinberg, do you know Joe? I do not know Joe. I know a Joe in real life. Is that the Joe you're talking about? He's a cool dude. I know a Joe. Wait, you guys know Synergy? Not familiar. Okay, this could be good. Okay, these trash cans. This could be good. This could be good. No, no, no. Freaking trash cans. Those freaking trash cans. Somebody won. Yo, instant dub? Instant dub? Okay. We're sort of safe here because these props are blocking the path. Instant dub? Dude, my heart's racing. I feel like there was so much opportunity there. Just down the toilet. Down, straight down the toilet. Ooh, this could be it. This could be it. GG, GG. I feel very much accomplished now. That was freaking difficult, but I feel very accomplished. Like I can die now. I can die in peace. See if you can jump over house. All right, let's see. Oh, if we jump on each other's heads. Oh shit. Oh shit, look at this. Yo, we might need a fourth. Okay, let's get a fourth in here. I might have fucked it up. Okay, are we good? Are we good? I think we're good. Okay. Are you trying MLG strats? We did try. We tried some jumping on each other's heads and getting over the invisible wall, if there was one, or if there was a limit to the invisible wall. Did not seem possible. SF Commander SFM, does bhop work in Sandbox? Yes, it does. Bhop and Surf both work in Sandbox. Alright. I think I want to show you guys Walking Sim. And then I'm probably going to hop off. But I want to show you guys Walking Sim. I gotta end the stream soon. We got for work tomorrow and shit. But Walking Sim, it did not work it didn't work in yesterday's stream, but it works today. And I want to show you this. It's still a big work in progress. It was created by Backscratch, who is a level designer for Face Punch. He works for Face Punch as a level designer. Tacos. Yeah, I had to hop off yesterday for some tacos. Some taco. Some good ass taco. Thick Wobble. Hey Craig, good to see you again. Hey Thick Wobble. Good to see you as well. Welcome to the stream, bruh. Have you tried TNT Run? I haven't. Does it even work? TNT Run. Is that here? TNT Run. Okay. Let's check out, we're gonna check out TNT Run, but I want to show you guys Walking Sim. And we gotta pause the music for this because there's some ambient sound that is important to catch. If it's loud enough. It might not be loud enough. So we can get the game audio here. Okay. So basically, let me fix my mouse for a sec. Walking Sim is a very ambient project being developed by Backscratch, who is a Face Punch level designer. And he's going to come up with a story and some dialogue and whatnot. And as you can see, it's very cinematic. A lot of nice fog. The level's still blocking in the level. A lot of work to be done. But if you look at this, it's more of an experience rather than, you know, gameplay. So if you guys are into this sort of stuff, it's a good ass time. But basically, we're missing some of the dialogue because other players are hitting them first. Gavardos, how's it going? My name is Gavardos, the number 2 source for S&box News. What up, number 2 source? Bruh, what up? But basically, you basically just walk and check shit out, and there's gonna be some story. The black bars at the top and the bottom will show dialogue that sort of annotate like your position in the map or when you find new locations and whatnot. We'll walk into this room. Yeah, walking. Yeah, kind of like Dear S3, exactly. You walk into this room, your flashlight automatically turns on, and in one of these black bars at the top or bottom, it would say something like "New location discovered," and you basically just explore. It's kind of ominous. With how Terry looks, it's kind of spooky. Look at his black eyes. That boy angry. Yeah, this shit's kind of spooky. Not gonna lie.
Hey.
Yo, mic check. Hello. But yeah, this is definitely a project that I'm going to be keeping an eye on. When it gets developed further, we're going to check it out. Because I think this is going to be cool. I think this is going to be really cool. I should be able to no clip. Yeah, here we go. Isn't there something very spooky about this scene here? I don't know about you guys, but this shit kind of spooks. Video games aren't spooky? What you mean video games aren't spooky? Video games are scary as shit. Aaron the Baron, if you give me a key to S&box, I'll buy you the gaming chair. Bro, that'd be a good deal, but I don't have any keys. I don't have any keys to give. Thomas, Terry the God of Fog. Dark and foggy area and flying God Terry. Whoops, it looks cool. I hope they finish it. Me too. I think there's some potential in this project. Thick Wobble, Source Engine, no matter if it's the oldest or newest, will always have that lonely and spooky atmosphere that something is watching you in the dark. That is one of the incredible things about Source Engine, is it builds that environment, that ambience. The bloom is nice, yes. Alright, let's check out TNT Run. Basically, Minecraft TNT Run, I made this to test the tools the game has, still a work in progress. Nope, TNT Run does not work. There are compile errors. Big sad. Let's try to find one more interesting game mode, and then I'm gonna start thinking about crashing and going to work tomorrow. Big rip. Yo, what do we got? Dr. Doom, subscribed. Welcome, thank you for subscribing. Where did the music go? There we go. Need that music. Okay. Play S&box VR? Bruh, I would if I had VR. Alright. 6 DOF, what is this? Demo of 6 DOF movement. Oh, degrees of freedom. Nah. Flybird, what is Flybird? Okay, what is this, like Flappy Bird made for self-learning? Just press left mouse, click the fly, and don't hit the pipes. Let's give this a shot. I feel like, what map? Let's try empty map. Okay, yeah, basically Flappy Bird on S&box. Big pause. Okay. Did my game just crash? S-Rest, yeah, it's basically just the Rest UI. Yo, I think my game just crashed. Yeah, I think my game crashed. Yo, the graphics are way too intense. Shit just straight up crashed. Probably doesn't support multiple players. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe somebody tried to join. Uh-oh. Alright, banana battle. I want to find something else that was like That was like walking home drunk or getting back home drunk. I want to find something like that. Super Terry Ball. Yeah, we checked out Super Terry Ball. That one is pretty good. Willowbox. Is this a Sandbox clone? Yes, sir. Puzzle. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here's something. Puzzle by Poison Michael. The game mode is pretty simple. Players are part of the same team. They spawn in a lobby. I just wanted to eat some of this Cliff Bar real quick. Okay. Where were we? They spawn in a lobby which has portals to different levels. These puzzles can be anything. A jumping puzzle, floating doors or boxes to get the end without falling off. Using a crane, shipping containers. Okay. Amount of levels in a map could vary. Ideas to finish all before the time is up. When all levels are completed. Okay. That could be interesting. Let's try this. It sounds like there's potential here. I wonder if it's single player or multiplayer. Or both. Gavardos, do you live by yourself? Nope. I've got 3 roommates. Wait, 3? Yeah, 3 roommates. Well, the map's broken. Well, that sucks. That sounded very interesting, but it's broken. Are we supposed to do something here? Rip. Alright. What's next? Cinema? Wait a minute, did we just start a game? No. Replicator melons. Escape from the infamous replicator melons with your friends. Let's try this. Wait, do we need, we'll just go with this map. I don't know if some of these game modes require a specific map or not. WTF, why roommates? Bruh. Housing is so expensive where I live. Roommates are like mandatory. Unless you're rich. Okay, left click to spawn a single melon, right click to spawn a lot of them, reload to clear the map. Oh shit, what the fuck? Okay. Wait. I think I died. Okay, how does this work? Okay, so I think you just spawn a melon and the melon chases players. That was unfair. Okay. This game mode needs some polish. What else do we have? Alex's God Realm tech demo. Is it using pathing or just moves to your coordinates? I cannot spawn a melon. Let's see here. It looks like it just moves like directly towards the player. I don't see any pathing. No pathing going on here. What were we just looking at? Alex's God Realm tech demo. A Ray-marched environment tech demo. This may not work on all graphics cards. Ping this dude if you're having issues. Currently pretty empty. Okay. Let's check out this dude's Ray-marching experiment. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Frame rate's terrible, of course, because this shit's hard to process. But this is cool. Whoa. Okay, something broke. Alright. S&box Discord bingo. Let's see what this is about. Gamifying the mind-numbing spewage in the Discord. Oofbox. I played Oofbox. Nothing special there. You can sit in front of the computer and watch slowly until your computer's screen freezes. That doesn't sound fun. I don't know about that. Speed dial. Okay, if we're being serious, speed dial is probably the actual best game mode on S&box right now. It's so well developed. What else is there? Is this everything? Comforting cockroaches? Comforting cockroaches?
Hey.
I think we've got a new contender for top game mode. This is okay. Definitely top 3. Definitely top 3. Alright. That's why we all want sandbox. This right here is exactly why we all want sandbox. Yo, is there actually a death run game mode? Is there a good death run game mode compared to us? I know you made a death run map, right? Is there something is there an actual death run? There's no death run. Not really any map entities yet. RIP. I suppose we'd have to make a custom game mode for that and add the map entities. I'm thinking we should almost start another project. It doesn't have to be multiplayer necessarily. Something like... something that's like getting back home drunk, where you could just hop on and dick around and have fun. Crusades Among Us? No, because Among Us requires, like, it absolutely requires other players to play. I'm thinking something that you can play single player. Regardless, let's start another project. Let's plan something. Like, I'm almost thinking something along the lines of Jump King. Also, Praise hasn't finished a project yet. Hey, bro. Very true. Or, something like Jump King, or Getting Over It with Getting Over It with motherfucking ass Bennett, motherfucking ass Foddy. We'll have to do some thinking. Or you know what? Your zombie game might work too. If we can just add campaign to it. Or objectives and shit. Salami monster, nice you have AK now. Did we hit AK? Hell yeah. Future of gaming. 8K celebration. How can we celebrate? Pop some champagne. Alright. I'm back. Alright. Bruh. These cockroaches are definitely comforting. Oh, Blubber Runner. Okay, that's one of the top game modes as well. Oh, you can actually move around. Who made this? This dude's a genius. We gotta give props to this dude. Who made this? The Willow Tree. The Willow Tree. My man, the Willow Tree. This shit's genius. I don't know how my zombie text gimmick is #1 game mode. Is it on the popular list? Popular... Number two, bro. Number 2, bro. Zen. Oh, wait, what is this? Zen demo. We made this map in Source 1 and we ported to Source 2. There's still lighting bugs, we'll fix blah 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 by the Alpha South team. S&box doesn't count. That might be a valid point. Okay, we're gonna check this map out and then I gotta hop off and get ready for sleep.
Show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go.
Tristan Morrow, Dark RP. What about Dark RP, my man? Manchita, do I need to do something to get S&box dev? I only got S&box in Steam. Yeah, just go to the install folder, and in there will be the sbox-dev.exe. And when you open up sbox-dev.exe, it'll open up all the Source 2 tools and S&box in windowed mode. Alright, what do we got? Yo, this is sick. Hold on a minute, this is sick. Yo, hold on a minute. Yo, this map is so alive. This is awesome. Dude, oh, you can see the stars moving and shit in the back. See the dust clouds moving? Run the game with dash tools too. Ah, that's a good thing to know. Yo, look at this. Can I fly one of these things? No. No collision. Too much details. Fly far away from it. It's a big ball. Alright, let's see how this is. Oh, okay. I see. That's a nice trick though. They can rotate the ball, make the stars and shit move. I really appreciate all the animation that they put into it. Making things alive, making them move. That's something that people neglect often. I guess part of the reason is probably working with Source Engine. But hopefully that shit gets a lot easier with S&box, Source 2. Source 2 and S&box. To really make shit alive. Looks awesome, but that close sky dome is immersion breaking. It sort of is, yeah, because you can see the actual curvature of it. They could definitely do better with Source 2 engine here. We're gonna have to keep an eye on this project and see how it progresses. Low gravity deathmatch on that map. You know what? That might actually be good. There is some walkable area here. You could have some players spawn like right here. Have another spawn here maybe, and then bridge that. That'd be some good deathmatch. S&box might be a good opportunity to make an Inception-like map, yeah. Inception game mode. Yo, what? Yo, what you doing? The fuck? Alright. I gotta prep for sleep. Yo, it was a good stream, guys. Had a lot of fun. Made some progress on MarsRP. Checked some shit out in S&box. Got a little to-do list for MarsRP. We're gonna work on some of this stuff in the next stream, one of the next streams, and one of the next MarsRP dev streams. Do the floss. Dude, I can't do the floss. That shit's way too hard. Shit's way too hard. I can practice though. I'll practice it. And I'm out of water. Rip. Full webcam Fortnite floss. Bro, okay. I'll floss when we get this gaming chair goal reached. When I get a gaming chair, I'm gonna floss on the gaming chair. That is a promise. I'll be flossing on this gaming chair. Oh god. Another $2. Yo, that puts us at 69. 69. Yeah, bruh. I'll straight up stand on the gaming chair and floss. Yo, $2. Thank you again, Layla. Yo, let's see here. Where is the Streamlabs dash? What are you at now, Layla? Top don't know for sure. I gotta check the stream here. $32, goddamn. $32. Get a whiteboard for donations. Oh, bend over right now. Bro, that's brilliant. bro, I could put a whiteboard back there. Bend over and fucking... Dude, that's genius. We can be, we can be some Twitch thoughts. You're gonna do that in your next stream. What's your stream schedule, Gavardos? You got a schedule? Get a bathtub while you're at it. A bathtub. You know what I really want? I want to get a cardboard cutout of Terry. And then he can just chill in the background. My mouse stream schedule. I take it you do not have a stream schedule. You know what? I'm gonna get invested in this cardboard cutout. Order cardboard cutouts. How much does it cost? Okay. We'd probably go with like the 4'1" to 5 foot. Maybe, okay, yeah, the 4'1" to 5 foot. Maybe 5'1" to 6 foot. I mean, we could do that. We can make that happen. That's how bad I want a Terry cardboard cutout. I'd fucking buy that for sure. Make the goal 210 and get a maid costume while you're at it. Floss in the maid costume. Let's see what Party City has. $5 foot. Okay, $60 at Party City. Custom life-size cardboard cutout 5 foot. Doing somewhere extra special in a couple weeks. Gonna stream that? Where are you going? Are you gonna do a live stream? Or a fucking, like an IRL live stream? Neox, wait, what cutout will that be? I want to do a Terry cutout. A cardboard cutout of Terry. Alright guys, I'm putting my ass to sleep. Tired as fuck.
Sandbox. Play forever. Let's play some Sandbox. It's this game that I really wanna play with all my friends. It's insane and I really wanna play till my life ends. Ooh, and if you take my hand, we'll make it through. Just call me up whenever. Come on, let's play some Sandbox, oh Sandbox. Let's play some Sandbox. Play forever. Let's play some Sandbox. Yeah, Sandbox. It's my favorite game. Put all the other Sandbox to shame. Yeah, you can blow coke any time on the clock, but nothing feels good like playing Sandbox.